Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore retirement savings with Fidelity 401k full guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current financial situation to understand how much you need to save for retirement. Log into your Fidelity account or create a new one if you don't have an existing account. Once logged in, navigate to the retirement section on the main dashboard. Select 401k from the available options to focus on your retirement savings. Review your current 401k balance and performance to gauge where you stand. Consider your retirement goals and how much you'll need to fund your lifestyle in retirement. Determine your risk tolerance to decide on the appropriate investment strategy. Adjust your contribution percentage if needed to ensure you're maximizing your savings potential. Look for employer matches that may be available to you and aim to contribute enough to take full advantage of those incentives. Explore different investment options within your 401k, including stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Diversify your portfolio based on your risk tolerance and timeline for retirement. Consider setting up automatic contributions to your 401k for consistent saving. Keep an eye on your investments and review your portfolio regularly, at least annually. Make adjustments as necessary based on changes in the market or your personal financial situation. Stay informed about any changes to your employer's retirement plan or benefits to optimize your savings strategy. Utilize Fidelity's resources and tools, such as retirement calculators, to help you forecast your savings goals. Engage with a financial advisor if you need personalized guidance tailored to your unique situation. Take advantage of any educational materials offered by Fidelity to enhance your understanding of retirement saving strategies. By following these steps, you can effectively restore and grow your retirement savings with Fidelity 401k. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.